Hello guys, today in this video I will tell you how to create a Python script in Linux environment, and we will go step by step on creating a Python script that can change the MAC address of your network card. So let's get started. First of all, we will create a blank file. So I'm using an nano editor. You can use any editor you want. So I will just create a file which is, I will name it as mac changer.py, and here I have created this. I will go open this file here. As you can see, I have this file here. To work with Linux commands, you will use this Python library called as subprocess. I will import the library first. So this is the library, and to change, there are, as you can see, like if you open terminal here, wait, let me open terminal and show you. If you type fconfig and check the Ethernet cards, here I have 3 Ethernet cards, Ethernet 0, and one is LO, which is the Linux environment card. So to now, if you have a Wi-Fi card available, you can use that as well. So for that, we'll just take an input from the user asking for the card name. So this should be an integer value, as we will go like let's take an input, enter card backslash n Ethernet 0 backslash n. This is the input, and now I would like to take a MAC address input. So I will name it as new MAC, and I will take it as a string input. So to take the input, like I will give an example as well. So we will like to enter new MAC address example. As you know, MAC address are generally longer, so like this. Now if the card value is equal to 1, I will do subprocess dot call, and I will just type the command I want to do. So first, to do this kind of things, I will need to put my Ethernet 0 network card down. So I will type this and comma shell equals to true. Now I would change the IP MAC address using the command fconfig Ethernet 0 hw ether, now plus new underscore MAC comma shell equals to true. You can go explore this library for other options you want. I prefer using this, as you can go to Python's documentation and search more about this, and subprocess.call fconfig Ethernet 0. So this is basic thing you need to change the network card MAC address, and that's it for this script. I just need to write the same code for the Wi-Fi card. So that should be like if on thread WLAN 0 down comma shell equals to true. Sorry, and sub process dot call if on with WLAN 0 HW ether plus no underscore bank comma shell equals to and sub process dot call if config WLAN 0 up comma shell equals to now else print invalid option. Now this is the script, guys. Now I will run the script. I will just execute it from here, and I would like to open one more terminal and show you what my current IP address is. So as you can see, the current IP address for my Ethernet 0 card is 000C 0.29.04v4.c1, and now I will run my script using the Python changer .py command. Okay, looks like I have some error. Oh yeah, this is a spelling mistake, guys. Process, so not an issue. Now they are asking me for the card which I want to use, so I will say Ethernet 0, and I will say that 001122234455, and let me just show you again. Split horizontally, and I would again do it as if on like, and as you can see, guys, I have not pressed enter yet, but still I'll just clear it up now for you guys. And here you can see that Ethernet 0's MAC address is this, and now after hitting the enter command I am done, because the MAC address of this is changed to what I have indicated here. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this script, and if you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section below, and you can also get this code on my repository, so do check it out. Thank you.